Hey guys, I haven't done a makeup thing in a while, but this isn't about makeup. This is about the hair. My daughter did my hair, and I'm going to show you guys the hair that I used. I do feel like she came down a little far, but I know she was trying to save my edges because I've been using this, and my edges have been growing in. I can tell that I still have a little condition because they're growing in, but there's still like a space or a gap, if that makes sense. I've been to a dermatologist. It has nothing to do with the wigs or anything like that. It's something else. But they are coming in with that. So if you have a problem with your edges, I know y'all seen that all over TikTok and everywhere else. I always tell y'all the truth. It does work. Now they say when you have to keep using it, when you stop or whatever. I don't know. I have heard that claim is true, but that's fine with me because I probably, unless they stop making it, will always use it. It's not that expensive. I thought when it got all over TikTok, it was going to be that, like low. You know how the price go up when people put stuff on TikTok? But Amazon is the cheapest place that I have found it. And also I have found other ones. But this one is the only one that I have used. Nope, I'm lying. I've used the Walmart brand. And I started out with the Walmart brand, and it works. And this Kirkland, I don't have a Kirkland's here. I got this off of Amazon. All I can tell you is it works. I want to try the foam next. I feel like the foam will be a little bit easier to blend than the liquid, because the liquid, when I put it on my edges, sometimes I've already done my makeup and then it runs down my face. If you don't rub it in fast enough, you don't need a lot. So when I run out of this, I'm buying the foam. Yeah. So this is about the hair. I'm going to show y'all the packs of hair that I bought, that I used from the beauty supply store, and how it looks on me. Now y'all know, I don't know what I was thinking when I was in the beauty supply store, because I don't do like curly. And I ended up buying, one of them was the one that I normally like and wear. And the other one is like a really deep wave. So this color right here, I feel like it's too curly for me. Just my preference. Y'all will let me know. There's some blonde in here. And the blonde is the wave that I like. I think it's called body wave. But I made a mistake and picked up one body wave and one deep wave. Don't you love it when you have a real mole? But yeah. So I'm kind of happy with it. I'm kind of not happy with it. But y'all will let me know. Let me finish my makeup. I'll come back and show y'all the hair. So I normally do my affirmations in the morning, but I said, you know what, let me just come back and finish beating my face on camera because I haven't done this in a while. So if you see my lips moving, you see me repeating my affirmations. A lot of times it is a affirmation video or meditation video, and I normally repeat it while I'm getting dressed and stuff like that. So if you see my lips moving, I'm doing my affirmations, or I'm probably on the phone, okay? But I decided to finish off the makeup on camera, like I said, because I haven't done that in a while. I'm using Juvia's Place. I think the color is Euphoria. It's a little bit too orange for me, but I know how to make it work and tone it down, especially with this hair. Love Juvia's Place foundation. I'm out of it. This was the last little bit in the tube, so I'm going to go back to Ulta and get another one, the next shade up lighter. The thing about Juvia's Place is it doesn't say matte, but I can make it work. Like with my primers and my Milk of Magnesia, which you seen I had on my face, and my setting sprays, I can make it work. But I don't know why Juvia's Place does not have a mattifying foundation. If y'all seen one or found one, let me know. But I love this foundation because it is thick. I love this foundation because it covers everything. As you can see in the beginning of the video, you don't even need that much. Like, that was probably a little bit too much on my brush. You do not need that much. It is a full coverage foundation. So I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to finish my face here, and then I'll come back and get back into these details of the hair with you guys. So y'all chat down below. Hit me up. Talk to me. Comment. I'm meditating right now, but y'all can still comment below. So right here, I'm going in with my final finishing powder, like a translucent matte setting powder. And that's why I said I can get the Juvia's Place to work for me in an 8-9 hour day. I love it. And then I'm going to spray my face one more time, and then we'll come back in and we will take the bonnet off. I'm going to make sure I have all of the makeup off of my eyebrows. And I'm going to spray the top part of this where she has the, what do you call that? Closure piece. There's a little closure piece that came in the pack of hair. Just spray that with some Got2b and spray my face and fan and come back to y'all. I'm going to do my contour. I like to go over that again just in case I brushed it off. Just for definition, I have my preferred way of how I do my face. Doesn't have to be for anybody else's face, but it's just my preferred way that I like to do my face and how I want my face to look. I'm going to put a little bit of glitter and a little bit of glitter. Not too much on your girl, just a little bit of glitter. Spray, and we're going to get back to the hair. Oh, I almost forgot, you guys. I bought this off of Amazon, and it is a stamping kit for your face. You can stamp like stars, hearts, and all kind of stuff on your face. I wanted to use it because I want to see how something would look on my face as a tattoo. So I bought this, but if you don't want to tattoo your face and you want to do something fun like this, I'm testing this out. As you see, I'm just opening the package. I want to see how it wears out through the day. I want to see how it wears over makeup, but I just want to see how it looks on me. So I'm opening it here, and I think I'm opening the star one first. There's a heart one too that I'm going to kind of play around with. It's eyeliner on one side and then a stamp on the other side. So that's the eyeliner, and this is the star. All right, let's go. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Okay, go. It is so cute. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. I'm going to go in and do a little bit of eyeliner with this so I can see how the eyeliner wears, but I really bought it for the star. Y'all, oh, I guess I should have did the eyeliner first. Let me make sure I don't mess it up. Y'all, cute. I love it. And let me tell y'all something. At 5:45 when I got off work, it was still there. Had not moved at all. Love it, love it, love it. I'm going to continue to test the waters with it. I'm thinking about getting it permanently put there, so I need to walk around with it for a while and see how I feel about it. Spraying my face, getting that face soaking wet. Maybe that's why the star stayed on too, because I sprayed my face and I forgot I did the star, but it didn't move. It didn't budge. It didn't move. It was absolutely perfect the entire day. Even when I blotted my face, it was still perfect. So that pen set was under $10 on Amazon. So as for the hair, like I think I was telling y'all, it's a little bit too curly for me. The number 27 is deep wave, and I meant to get body wave. Just a little bit too curly for me. I'm going to get dressed and come back in the camera and see what y'all really think. But right now I'm just fingering it out with my fingers. Is that what you say? Combing it out with my fingers. It's a lot of hair. That's why I don't do curly wavy like that. It is a lot of hair. And I've got some 613 thrown in there that I will show you guys as well. So this is just me fanning my makeup and combing it out with my fingers. See the 613 there? And the 613 is the body wave. The 27 is deep wave. I wasn't paying attention when I was in the store, so I don't know how I grabbed body wave, but it was what it was by the time it was time to get my hair done. I didn't have a choice but to deal with what I had at the house. I wasn't going back. All right, guys. So, yeah, y'all know me. It's a little bit just too curly for me. So, it'll probably be in a ponytail most of the time. Unless I'm like going out. But it'll probably be in a ponytail most of the time. The blonde one is the drop that I like. See that drop? That's the drop that I like. The 27, which the golden one is 27. This one is a little bit more wavy. But my daughter mixed it in very, very well for me. I love the color and I love the look. I just wish that the 27 would drop the way the blonde one dropped, but I wasn't paying attention to the packages. So I'm gonna show y'all the packages. And there's some black in there. So it's ombre out. And I love the way it flows in ombre. I may do this again with straight hair, or I may do this again with this hair right here. When you see the packs of hair, the blonde hair I have used before, and it holds up extremely well with this type of brush. I have never used this 27 pack before, so we're gonna see how it holds up. But I know for a fact that even though it sheds a lot, I have had the blonde one before and I love it. I love the way it holds up. It may shed, but it holds up. So that's what it looks like. And now let me know what y'all think. It's just a lot for me. I feel like when hair is really curly, it's a lot of hair for me. But I like it. But this is how I'm going to wear it to work. Okay, so more so in a ponytail. And this was my, this is for setting mousse for braids. But I'm just using it for this. So hopefully it'll kind of stiffen those curls a little bit. And it won't be like as curly. And we'll see what happens. But so far I like the hair. I've had it in for 2 days so far. 2 days. I'm going to wear it down this weekend because I have somewhere to go this weekend. So that, here's my magnetic necklaces. That will really tell me. Now it does get caught on these magnets. I noticed that the other day. But it's in there now. See, there's hair on the magnet. It gets caught on the magnet. And another good thing about the magnet on this necklace is the magnet's going to give you at least 2 more inches. So if you have a short necklace and you put the magnet on, it's going to drop you probably about another inch or 2. Just to let y'all know. But yeah, this is what she's looking like. And I didn't get it that long this time. It literally stops right where my bra stops. And that's what I wanted. I didn't want to be sitting on it. I didn't want to be sitting on it this time. Plus, this is synthetic. It's not human. So I didn't want hair all over the place, okay? But y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all saw it loose. This is how I'm wearing it to work. Just a get by style. I got my hair done September 1st, Labor Day. Sat home and did it. I'm going to leave it in as long as I can. If y'all want to know, if y'all want me to come back and say actually how long I left it in, let me know. I'm thinking I'm going to leave it in. I'm going to try to get through the middle or end of September. I'm going to try. It depends on how bad it tangles and sheds. But and it's just a cap with glue. So it depends on if it starts lifting. If it starts lifting and peeling. So all of that plays a part in how long I leave it on. So we'll see. I'm hoping to get a good 2 or 3 weeks out of it though. The hair wasn't that much. I already had the blonde pack from before. I never used it. I think the blonde pack is like $16, $17. This pack from the beauty supply store was, I think, $16.99. So it definitely wasn't that much. If I can get 2 or 3 weeks, if I can get 3 weeks out of it, 3.5, I got my money's worth. So let me know what y'all think. All right, you guys, this is the hair from the local beauty supply store, the Vince bundle. This 27 I have never used before, so we'll see how it holds up. It was a 3-time multi-pack. As you can see, my daughter used 2. She used the 18 and the 20. The 22 is still in the pack. It did come with the lace closure. That's what you see at the front. This was $16.99. This one by Organique, Shake and Go, is what I use all the time. 18, 20, and 22 again, tangle free. Like I said, it sheds, but this one I use all the time. I love this one. It is $6.13 with the black at the top. The package said $23.99, but I think when I bought it, it was on sale for like $15.99 or something like that. But if you see the Organique brand in your store, I can tell you that this brand wears very well. Like I said, it sheds, but it brushes and wears very well. So I'm hoping that the two play very well together. Thank you for watching. Let me know what y'all think. I'll see you in the